Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ree. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button down below. Make sure you also subscribe if you are already one of the girls. Hey girl, today I will be showing you ladies how to get these perfect eyebrows, you know, because your girl just, you know, I'm just good at that. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get these. I feel like out of everything I've dropped, I haven't showed you guys how to do that yet, so why not tap into that right now. I'm doing Vlogmas. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my last video. Yeah, let's just get straight into this video. I ain't gonna do too much talking. We just gonna go straight into it. If you wanna do it, this moment is perfect. Let's go on and do it. Oh my goodness, and I'm in the mood. Yeah, just best that we undress and go on and do it. Y'all make sure y'all stop what you're doing right now and give this video a thumbs up. I'm not gonna be doing too much talking. I'm gonna get straight into it and give y'all the deets, okay? Because everybody be wanting to know how your girl do her eyebrows, and I feel like I should have been taught y'all. I should have been put y'all on. I am on the road to 3K, y'all, and I cannot believe it. Like, 3 is my favorite number, so I'm gonna be doing a huge giveaway. It's gonna be big. I'm really trying to make sure it's affordable for me, but at the same time, like, worth it for y'all. I'm so very grateful. So like I said, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, because I'm so close to my number and I cannot wait. Okay, I know y'all be coming through though, so I ain't even worried about it. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so first I start with going in on a gel, eyebrow gel. Y'all, honestly, I don't really use eyebrow gel all the time, but I do think I'm gonna get more into it because it really does help. So if you don't have one already, make sure you go invest in one. This is not one that I feel I use because it's really good. I just think it did what it had to do. So yeah. I definitely would recommend skinny tipped, thin tipped eyebrow pencils. This one is just one that I had. Again, I'm not very picky when it comes to what eyebrow pencil I use, but this one is really good. It's a little dark, but if you're doing a full face, it just comes out really nice. Y'all gonna see. So I like to just outline the bottom first and just follow the track of your natural eyebrow. If you don't have a natural arch, please make sure you clean up your eyebrows. If you have to get a razor, clean up your eyebrows to the shape of your liking, what you like, and then follow the bottom and track it along. Then I just go ahead and do the same thing with the top. I'm very light when it comes to coloring in my eyebrow. I don't like it to be too dark. And you also, there's room for mistakes. Don't get me wrong, there's room for mistakes, but you just want to be very gentle and take your time, really focus. Follow the natural line of how you would like your eyebrow outline to be. Then I just go ahead and color it in. Again, you want to be very light. Well, personally, I like to be a little light. You want to make sure you're only coloring the back, because once you get to the front, you're gonna do strokes. So do strokes going upwards. I messed up the front of this one a little bit. I did it a little bit too dark, which is why I said make sure you go in very lightly. But you just want to do strokes in the front, keep it natural looking, and then we're gonna go back and brush it out. All right, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. It's very hard to match your eyebrows. Just always remember that your eyebrows are not twins, they're just sisters, okay? They're not gonna look identical. They will never look exactly the same, but you can get them very close to perfect, okay? And here I am trying to make sure they look, you know, kind of closer in shape and size and everything, color and everything. Like, I am very specific when it comes to this stuff, so I'm just taking my time making this one a little bit thicker. Like, you just want to take your time and observe them. If you don't have time, this is not the time to be trying to practice eyebrows, okay? Take your time, focus on your craft, and make them look good. So now you're gonna grab your spoolie. This is called a spoolie, and you're just gonna brush out the front. So I do a side to side type of brush. I don't know, like, that's just how I've always done it. But if you want, you could do an up down. I just do it until I feel like it's blended and looks really good. Some of y'all are probably thinking, like, what was the point of her doing the strokes if she was just gonna brush them out? Just do the strokes and brush them out, okay? Follow the steps. Just do it. So now we are going in with LA Pro Girl Concealer. You know the girlies love LA Pro Girl Concealer. I don't know, it's like literally a hit every time. Ain't no hit and miss. It's a hit every time. Like, it's just the perfect formula for when you're doing your eyebrows, concealing. I like to put a thick layer on the back of my hand. I mix the colors together. If you want to do two separate and, you know, dip one lighter coat for the bottom and then do the darker coat for the top to match your foundation better, that works as well. But I just mix them because my skin is pretty like in the middle. So either way it works out. So after spraying it with some setting spray, I grab my brush. I spray my brush as well. Make sure your brush is flat. This is not my go-to brush, okay? But this will do. Any brush will do as long as it's flat. Y'all know the concealer brushes. Most concealer brushes say concealer brush on them, but the ones that don't, you can get something similar to the one that I have. I like to angle my brush outward, kind of have it hovering over, and just line the bottom. Take your time and focus, and then track where you outline with the pencil. This is why it's very important to make sure you take your time with the pencil. It just makes it so much easier when you're going in with the concealer. Let me fool you, it was not always this easy, y'all. I am a pro at this, so I just do it really, really fast. But I will say that it gets easier if you just practice makes perfect, basically. So after I do that, I flatten my brush and I turn it sideways, and then I fill in the majority part of my eyelid. You just want to like cover it in concealer. To me, I think that the thicker the concealer is, the cleaner your eyebrow will literally turn out. Like, I have just like tried different multiple ways, but the more concealer you use, the better it comes out. I'm not saying OD on concealer, but just like if you can tell the thickness, like you literally cannot see my skin under the concealer. And then here I am again trying to make sure that they are close in shape and it's looking pretty good. So I'm about to continue. I'm right-handed, so I always struggle with the left side. I'm having a hard time trying to do it, so I tend to do it backwards on this side. Like, I carry the concealer inwards instead of outward to the tail. So just don't mind me, I'm a little slow. But they definitely matched up though. They matched up perfectly. So that worked. That moment when you realize that they're not identical, like they'll throw it off just a teeny bit, but you're a perfectionist, so it kind of throws your whole operation off. Vibe is just throwed, bro. I am so funny. Anyways, child, so now we about to get into this top part of the eyelash, okay? I said eyelash, I meant eyebrow. So like I said, you want to put on a thick layer of concealer. Start from the beginning. Room for mistakes, okay? This is the part that's very tedious. If you like a high arch, you would want to start the front lower and then bring it up. Being that I like my arch to just be kind of neutral, I'm doing it the way I'm doing it. If you like this, just follow the way I'm doing it. I like my tail to be a little thin. I think I already said that, so I'm just perfecting the end of my tail. And you're gonna blend upwards. So you're just gonna drag the extra concealer up and blend it into your skin. You wanna thin it out so that when you go in with your like foundation or your other products, it doesn't leave that flashback. Y'all ever take a picture and you see like the concealer from the eyebrows? I hate that. So you just kind of want to blend that out before you put your foundation on. So for the most part, here is the finished look of the eyebrows. It's very easy, y'all. It's so easy. Just practice, practice, practice. Like, I promise you, it doesn't take a lot to get that perfect eyebrow. It just takes practice. Follow the tips I gave you, and your eyebrows can look like this too. We are not done. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. These are the eyebrows. They're so perfect. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and like this video, give it a thumbs up, show your girl some love, and make sure you subscribe as well. If you guys want more content like this from me, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you want from me exactly. These lashes are so bomb. I got these lashes from Amazon, y'all. If you want the link, let me know and I will surely give it to you guys. Make sure you guys tune into my last video. Make sure you guys tune into my new video. And I also did a little makeup on my face, but these eyebrows were more for like if you were doing a full face. If you were doing a natural face, you would basically use less concealer around your eyebrows. So yeah, these ate for sure. Bye, you guys.